Warning, you're about to fall in love with a salad. Gourmet, colorful, juicy, this pasta is giving luxury. If you could taste this through the screen, you would. Just look at her twirl. Rich, creamy, and ready to seduce your taste buds. Can you hear the fork flirting with the pasta? Luxury in every spiral. Let's build this baddie. A bubbling bath for beauty. Salt it like you mean it. Flavor starts here. Tricolor rotini diving into greatness. Stir it so it doesn't stick. Let the magic simmer. Good things take time. Soft, al dente dreams are made of this. She's ready. Flavored, tender, and steaming with potential. This isn't just pasta. This is pre-glow up pasta. Drain it. Don't rinse. Let it breathe. Crisp, cold cucumber. Slice that cucumber. Removing the seeds for that clean bite, because smooth textures matter. Sliced long, then chopped to perfection. Into the glass dish she goes. First layer, locked in. Prep bell peppers, 4 colors. Color-coded crunch, a confetti of flavor. Each slice equal a pop of gourmet. Prep purple onion. Bold, sharp, iconic, just like you, bestie. Add it to the dish of dreams. Cut cherry tomatoes, juicy little flavor bombs. They don't just look good, they burst with taste. Straight into the mix. The dish is filling up. Diced turkey ham plus salami. Protein upgrade. Salty, savory, and so chic. Tiny cubes, big impact. Turkey ham brings the balance, salami brings the drama. High protein, high flavor. Plated separately, they're making their entrance later. This salami is bold and flavor-focused. She's spicy, cured, and aging like fine drama. Slice her thin. Every bite's got attitude. Into the separate plate with her sister she goes. Why, you ask? Because drama travels in pairs. Sliced green olives. Now slice black olives. Briny baddies entering the chat. Balance, baby. Salty meets silky. Let them join the flavor crew. Add cheese cubes, Colby Jack or mozzarella. Creamy, melty, dreamy. We don't play when it comes to cheese. Colby Jack, mellow, creamy, and made to melt. A flavor blend that never misses. Add feta cheese. Tangy and luxurious. This is your gourmet signature. She crumbles with class. Colby Jack, mellow, creamy, and made to melt. Feta, sharp, crumbly, and salty in all the right ways. 2 cheeses, 1 plate. Contrast never looked this good. Chop cilantro. A burst of green to wake everything up. Freshness unlocked. Combine everything. The reunion we've been waiting for. Colors, textures, flavors, all in perfect harmony. Let them fall in, bold, beautiful, and ready to blend. Enter the meat duo, salty, smoky, and full of flair. And now, the cheeses arrive. Creamy meets crumbly. This is texture with taste. Final burst, chopped cilantro, fresh, bright, and lifting every bite. Add seasonings. No salad seasoning? No problem. Spices coming in hot. A pinch of salt, paprika, slap ya mama, cayenne. We season with our soul. Pour Italian dressing. Be generous, be bold. This is the final drizzle of love. She's not a salad, she's a moment. Mix everything. Stir with love, fold with attitude. Every bite is a masterpiece. Chill in the fridge. Let her marinate. Cool down. Get even more delicious. Good salads rest like royalty. Rich, juicy, colorful. This isn't just food, it's an experience. Try not to bite your screen. I dare you. This is what gourmet looks like at home. Tag someone who needs a plate of this. You didn't just make pasta, you made art.